kids is you need family because the work's hard and the pay's low. And so, you know, it'd be better if I had 10 kids and they were all interested in dairy, but as it turned out, I had 3 daughters, and my youngest one was forced to get up and milk with me every morning, but she never complained to me anyways. And now my oldest daughter is running the store and lives in an apartment up over the barn, and her son is now, Justin is now making the ice cream. At one time my wife did it and other people over the years, and it just kind of graduated that way. And then I was saying earlier that I have a granddaughter, which is my middle daughter's daughter. She's 17, and she milks the cows with me along with my foreman. It's basically her, the foreman, and now I've regulated myself down to just 1 milking a week, Sunday mornings, and then that's how the milking is done.